Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Filecoin Chapter 17. This video will help you better understand accounts and assets and how contracts are created, as well as helping you have a sense of how to share your tokens. Here we go! In this video, we'll walk through how to deploy your first smart contract to the Filecoin network. We are going to install a browser-based wallet called MetaMask. Create a new wallet address, supply some test currency to that wallet, and then use a browser-based environment called Remix to deploy a smart contract to the Filecoin network. We are going to be creating an ERC-20 token in this video. The ERC-20 contract is used a lot of representing a massive array of tokens across multiple blockchains, primarily the Ethereum blockchain. Before we can interact with Filecoin network, we need funds. But before we can get any funds, we need somewhere to put them. First, open your browser and visit MetaMask website. Second, install the wallet by clicking the download button. MetaMask is available for Brave, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Opera. Third, once you have installed MetaMask, it will open a Get Started window. Fourth, click Create a new wallet. Enter a password to secure your MetaMask wallet. You will need to enter this password every time you use the wallet. 6. Follow the prompts until you get to Secret Recover Freeze window. Read the information about what this recovery freeze is on this page. Eventually, you should get to the wallet creation success page. 8. Once you've done that, you should have your account set up. You may notice that we are currently connected to the Ethereum mainnet. We need to point MetaMask to the Filecoin network, specifically the calibration testnet. We'll use the website called chainlist.org to give MetaMask the information it needs quickly. First one, go to chainlist.org. Second, enable the testnet toggle and enter Filecoin into the search bar. Third, scroll down to find the Filecoin calibration testnet. Fourth, in MetaMask, click Next. Fifth, click Connect. Sixth, click Approve when prompted to allow this set to add a network. Seventh, click Switch Network when prompted by MetaMask. 8. Open MetaMask from the Browser Extensions tab. 9. You should see the Filecoin collaboration testnet listed at the top. Now we've got the Filecoin collaboration testnet set up within MetaMask. You'll notice that our MetaMask window shows 0 file. Test Filecoin is a file that has no value in the real world and developers use it for testing. We'll grab some T-file next. Now we move to get some funds. First, in your browser, open MetaMask and copy your address to your clipboard. Second, go to faucet.collaboration.filediff.network and click Faucet from the menu. Third, paste your address into the address field. Complete the I am human CAPTCHA and then click Send. Fourth, the faucet should give you a link to the transaction. Fifth, the Block Explorer will show you the transaction history for your address. After a couple of minutes, you should see 5 T-file transferred to your address. Sixth, open MetaMask to confirm that you received the T-file. That's all there is to it. Getting T-file is easy. The development environment we are going to be using is called Remix. Viewable at remix.ethereum.org. Remix is an incredibly sophisticated tool, and there's a lot you can play around with. In this tutorial, however, we are going to stick to the very basics. If you want to learn more, check out the Remix documentation. In Remix, workspaces are where you can create a contract or group of contracts. For each project, let's create a new workspace to create our new ERC-20 token. First, open remix.ethereum.org. Second, click the plus icon next to workspaces to create a new workspace. Third, in the Choose a Template drop-down. Select ERC-20. Fourth, select the Main Table checkbox. Fifth, enter a file name for your token in the workspace name field. Something like QWERTY works fine. Sixth, click OK to create your new workspace. The contract template we are using is pretty simple. We just need to modify a couple of variables. First, under the contract delivery, click mytoken.sol. Second, in the editor panel, replace myToken with whatever you'd like to name your token. In this example, we'll use QWERTY. Third, on the same line, replace the second string with whatever you want the symbol of your token to be. In this example, we'll use CRG. That's all we need to change within the contract. You can see on line 4 that this contract is importing another contract from OpenZip line for us, meaning that we can keep our custom token contract simple. To complete, first click the green plus symbol at the top of Workplace to complete your contract. You can also press CMD plus on Mac or Ctrl plus S on Linux and Windows. Second, Remix automatically fetches the two important contracts from the top of our .sol contract. You can see these imported contracts under the .deps delivery. You can browse the contracts there, but Remix will not save any changes you make. Now that we've successfully completed our contract, we need to deploy it somewhere. This is where our previous MetaMask setup comes into play. First, click the Deploy tab from the left. Second, under the Environment drop-down, select Injected Provider, MetaMask. Third, MetaMask will open a new window confirming that you want to connect your account to Remix. Fourth, click Next. Fifth, click Connect to connect your TFL account to Remix. Sixth, back in Remix, under the account field, you'll see that it says something like 0 times 11F, etc. This value is 5T file, but Remix doesn't support the Filecoin network, so doesn't understand what TFL is. This isn't a problem, it's just a little quirk of using Remix. Under the contract drop-down, ensure the contract you created is selected and click Deploy. Ninth, MetaMask will open a window and ask you to confirm the transaction. Scroll down and click Confirm to have MetaMask deploy the contract. 10th, back in Remix. At the bottom of the screen shows that the creation of your token is pending. 11. Wait around 90 seconds for the deployment to complete. On the Filecoin network, a new set of blocks, also called a tip set, is created every thread second. When deploying a contract, the transaction needs to be received by the network, and then the network needs to confirm the contract. This process takes around 1 to 2 tip sets to process, or around 60 to 90 seconds. Now that we've completed and deployed the contract, it's time to actually interact with it. And the first thing is mint your tokens. Let's call a method within the deploy contract to mint some tokens. First one, back in Remix. Open the deployed contracts drop-down within the deployed setbar tab. Second, expand the mint method. You must fill in 2 files here, to and amount. Third, the 2 files specified where address you want this initial token sent to. Open MetaMask. Copy your address and paste it into the file. Fourth, this file expects an autofill value. 1 file is equal to a lot of autofill, so if you wanted to mint 100 file, you would enter 100 followed by 18 zeros. Fifth, click Transact. Sixth, MetaMask will open a window and ask you to confirm the transaction. Again, you must wait for the network to process the transaction, which should take about 90 seconds. You can move on to the next section while you are waiting. Currently, MetaMask has no idea what our token is or what it even does. We can fix this by explicitly telling MetaMask the address of our contract. First, go back to Remix and open the Deploy Sidebar tab. Second, under Deployed Contracts, you should see your contract address at the top. Click the copy icon to copy the address to your clipboard. Third, open MetaMask, select Assets, and click to import your tokens. Fourth, in the token contract address field, paste the contract address you just copied from Remix and then click Add Custom Token. MetaMask should autofill the rest of the information based on what it can find from the Filecoin network. Fifth, click Import Token. You should now be able to see that you have 100 of your tokens within your MetaMask wallet. Having a bunch of tokens in your personal MetaMask is nice, but why not send some tokens to your friend? Your friend needs to create a wallet in MetaMask as we did in the Create a Wallet and Switch Networks sections. They will also need to import your contract deploy address like you did in the Add Your Tokens to MetaMask section. Remember, you need to pay gas for every transaction that you make. If your friends try to send some of your tokens to someone else but can't, it might be because they don't have any T-file. Alright, that's all for our video tutorial. Step by step how to deploy your first smart contract to the Filecoin network and install a browser-based wallet called MetaMask. Create a new wallet address. Provide some test currency to the wallet and deploy the smart contract to the Filecoin network using a browser-based development environment called Remix. I hope you can understand and use ERC-20 contracts. Alright, please thumbs up if you find this video helpful. More videos that you might be interested in are coming soon, so please subscribe to King Lab's channel in case you miss out. See you in the next video. Bye!